And I'll rise like the day, I'll rise up. Hey guys, we're doing wedding stuff yet again. And I'm about to meet DJ at this suit and tux place. Ooh, Golden Crust. I'm gonna go get me a patty. We're about to walk into this tuxedo place. And what we're looking for the guys. Hi. Hi, Bing. How you doing?
What's up? So this is my uncle.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Wow, it looks like you're twin.
Oh, does it? Yeah.
Wow. How's it going?
Yeah. So this is actually twin dad. Like twin, just how Robert is my dad.
Okay.
This is like two twins.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice to finally meet you.
Same here.
Yeah. So he, like, all the events we had, like he always was like the one who spearheaded our tuxedo styles, whatever. So like I trust his opinion like 1,000%.
So for you, you're doing
For
here.
me,
Okay.
yeah, like I need to find like mine.
That's cool.
So she vlog and whatnot. So this is my uncle, y'all. Who's gonna help me pick out my tux and everything.
This is the color of the bridesmaids' dresses.
Okay.
Now the matron, her dress is gonna be that same
My dad.
green. Yeah.
Her dress is gonna be green.
Yep.
Okay.
This is the girls.
So I was
Still thinking of the green suit.
So it's so hard to find. Yeah. So the next option would be me in a white tuxedo with all green inside. So green vest, green shirt, and green tie.
Okay.
So, but he's saying like not just like the traditional style white tux. It gotta be like
texture. Like something like this.
Yeah, something
With
pops
texture.
out.
Yeah, like with the
You don't want a
personality.
traditional white suit.
Is it gotta be something just like? And I don't really know like what he's saying, but
You gotta pop. It's like
I like it.
Her dress gonna pop. You got to pop.
It's gonna pop.
he said he asked, is your dress like white or is it like an off-white? Is it? Oh.
I believe it. And you know what? Technically, it's not.
So I am in a tuxedo store and trying to look for my tux, right? I really want to wear a sage green tux, but it's just so hard to find. So I'm in here just looking at different options, looking at possible second options. So we'll let y'all know what we come up with.
He'll be whiter than you.
See, that's what I said. That's why I asked you what color white. You don't want to overshadow her.
I'll be whiter than you. Look, everybody get to see the dress but me. You see that?
That had like some hint of ivory in it.
So you don't want to go this white.
No, pure white. I don't think so. It would be nice, but in pictures they would have to edit my dress to be the color of yours.
So again, so looking at the palette, right? So like, because the guy's probably gonna have to do this colored suit, almost like a whatever you call it, tan beige, whatever, because it's like the best thing we can find, and that's all Man House is really offering.
As long as it's not that green, we're good.
Yeah.
That is the suit color.
So now how
we're
would
not doing suits, are we? For guys?
doing
the vest and the shirt and the tie.
Yeah, I mean that's possible too. But again, like even if we do like, so this suit that I was showing you, like this suit, like we wouldn't close it up. It'll be open if we do that.
I mean, if the price is not gonna change whether they have the suit or not, then we just gonna do a suit.
Right.
Like I told you, they have the suit, the vest, made just like a jacket.
Okay.
So
you got that on your you got it still on your phone?
it was one of these books, wasn't it?
No, it was on your phone. It was on Etsy.
It's right, that jacket that goes in. Made
like
just
that.
like.
Instead of the let me show you.
Wow, that's really nice.
So you see the difference? Instead of the like the V, it kind of closes in like
Yeah,
a.
just like a jacket. So you should have your vest.
And Men's Warehouse has that?
We have to. We got to see.
I don't know.
These white suits.
You said what?
They kill me with these white suits.
So what do you?
So what is looking like? Nothing in here?
No, I mean.
See, you really can't tell by those pictures.
Yeah, pictures don't do it justice really. But that is ivory.
Say ivory.
That would
Ivory
be
more the color.
that would be better. You need to stick to ivory if you're not trying to do white.
Yeah, I agree.
So here's the thing. So the good part about it is we can do. I can pick an ivory and I can go sage.
Not the bow tie.
Not the bow tie, but I can get it. I can get it in the regular tie.
Okay.
You like bow ties?
For certain fits. For certain.
What about for this?
I'll probably not. However, I did hear that you're supposed to, when it comes to a bridal party, only the groom is supposed to wear a bow tie. Everyone else is supposed to wear a tie. No? Someone just told me that recently. I was like, okay. I mean, I ain't wearing neither, so I don't really care.
Yeah, the ivory suit in that green.
How long would it take?
It'll be
This
here.
is like it's being ordered.
Yeah, it'll be here a day before the wedding.
That's too risky.
Absolutely not.
Risky.
Yeah.
You know how much could go wrong with shipping?
He said he's coming. He got a good rep though.
That's fine, but the day before, it could be 2 weeks before. Because you got to make sure it fit and everything.
They wouldn't do it. Yeah.
That's risky the day before wedding.
That's a close call.
Well, at least you know now if you want to buy a suit, you can come over here. You ever been here before? Then just these 2 cream sodas, that's it.
You want to keep vlogging?
Huh?
You want to keep vlogging? You know.
Get some napkins.
Why you?
Huh? Nothing. Okay.
Too much?
The color is nice.
Yeah, I love
You
the
gotta
color.
put it on. You gotta put it on. I can't tell
I
without.
don't like the pants like that though. I like the plain
Yeah,
pants.
too much is going.
Yeah, too much going
It's
on.
it's nice,
I'll be
but
out there.
it depends on how it look on you because you need things that make you look slimmer, and I feel like that's gonna blow you up.
What's that?
I don't see it.
It's hard to tell with these jeans on, man. Get this man some pants. It's nice.
I love it.
I do like it on you. I just need to see what pants. Like the pants gotta be the exact color, but not that material.
I say the same thing.
It's that color, not the material.
Not,
Solid.
Exactly.
I like it.
Yeah, that's that.
You imagine, yeah.
Perfectly.
What, man? Ain't mind your business.
I can't wait to see you.
Come on now.
I sure want to talk about it and get awkward.
What size is that? You
Just say you gonna
You
cry.
better.
Oh, I'm a ball. Yeah, I had a dream last night. It was wedding day.
And I literally woke up this morning with tears. Where are you gonna cry?
Woke up with tears in my eyes.
Oh, cry baby. I'm gonna be laughing at you. I already know.
You're probably gonna be who cry.
I'm not. I don't cry very easily.
This day,
I'm a gangster though. So it's true. I like it, but you gotta stay in the gym so it don't end up looking
Yeah,
too
I'm
tight.
gonna drop 10 pounds. Even before the shower, I need to drop like 10 pounds.
All right, let's do
you
it.
can do it.
Yeah, I am.
He do it so easy. He just stop eating it and go run.
Yeah, back and forth, back
Yeah.
and forth.
It's not like that for us.
Always.
I like it.
Yeah.
I need to see the pants though. ASAP.
Sure, we can finesse the pants. You gotta find
Hey,
I'm gonna get you a shirt, okay?
Okay.
it's not too bad together.
No, it's not bad.
It just you just need to get the right size.
Pants can be bigger.
Yeah, it needs to be bigger, and then you need to get them
It
tailored.
feels okay, like good up here. It's this right here, literally this.
That's why you have to get it bigger
You
because
gotta
of
get a
that.
bigger size.
But it's gonna be crazy because if you lose this weight, you're gonna be doing some tailoring and retailoring.
Yeah.
What about here? I got time.
Cool. But I like to see.
I like it. I still wish you had a shirt under.
He's still in there. He's still in there. He's still in
No,
there.
I'm here.
He don't know what you're saying.
Tell him.
Vou meter tanto lá.
You want to get a bigger pants?
Yeah, let me see. What size is 38? I told you the 38 wasn't going to fit.
Oh, check this, bro. It's how they design these pants.
That's why you gotta get it bigger because
It's okay, button up.
they can't open that up.
Okay.
Here, come here.
Okay, yeah.
You need to see the. This ain't real.
I think it's.
What the? Not.
Pop the things open.
You gotta pop it open. Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
They always come like that.
Oh, see, I don't know nothing about that. Yeah.
That look good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mine is that black, but you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That look good, Donna.
Wedding day shit here.
Shit, nervous. Look at your face.
Come on.
You
Nervous is not it. That's one thing I'm not gonna tell you that right now.
See, I don't know how to do that. There you go.
Come on, man, stop playing. Let me get this, bro. How much?
Come here, let me see the back of your pants.
Oh Lord, you need a bigger size.
Yeah, boy, you look like you're trying to twerk.
Don't do it.
I don't want to see your butt prints.
Yeah, you gotta lose some more weight, Donna.
ASAP. Because your booty is up there.
I'm dropping 10 pounds.
Okay.
So you want to keep that size and then drop.
If we're gonna drop it, yeah, but we need to get some more pants, though. Yeah.
Because your calf's not going to lose no weight.
Because you can always get the pants sticking up. But you just need some bigger pants for the calf and stuff.
Yeah, because your calves don't lose weight.
Yeah.
Your old thing stay there.
Yeah, I mean, I can see you there.
What?
So you good? You want to look some more?
You look good.
See how you get to see me? You know what I mean? Like it should be like the same thing, you know?
You told me to come. Exactly. I would have never told you to come. Anywho.
Donald, don't, DJ. Yep. Keep the pants on for a minute. Yeah.
You gonna show the guy something?
It's tight here.
Yeah, just your calves. I mean, as soon as you came, I was looking at your calves.
Oh, yeah?
That shit, thing is huge.
It's huge.
That is so funny.
How they do is sell it with one.
And they don't make 48 short in that one. And I don't have a 48.
Juice, yeah, for the
Donna's calves always been huge.
even when you was a jitty bug
Yeah.
out there thugging,
Always been huge.
Not no thugging, huh?
and then thugging pictures your calves was huge. Can't tell your pants were so long, your shorts were so long. Bro, he had shorts all the way down to his feet.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Bro,
Yeah.
can't even tell.
So this is horrible.
No, it's not horrible.
But knowing you, when you like to move around a lot.
Yeah, but you need a bigger size. But who knows? It may look different when you start losing the weight.